Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Let's see how our market performed today and let's see आने वाले दिनों में कैसे परफॉर्म कर सकता है हमारा मार्केट. ओके, तो इसको वापस से 1 आवर पे चेक करते हैं कि 1 आवर पे हमारे मार्केट ने कैसे परफॉर्म किया. एज वी कैन सी मार्केट इज स्टिल इन अप ट्रेंड. हमारा हाई अगेन ब्रीच हुआ. अब अगेन ये वाला हाई अगर ब्रीच होता है तो हाँ, अभी भी कंफर्मेशन मिलती रहेगी कि हाँ एक न्यू हाई पर है. बट एज वी नो, जब भी एक हाई ब्रीच होता है like this one, we have seen a good retracement. See, a good retracement. We again want to see a good retracement. We don't know from which level we are gonna see a good retracement, but yes, we are expecting a good retracement. Till then, we can see in lower time frame, अगर price higher rise create कर रहा है, we can still trade it for higher gains. Also, in Gujarat we have election and everything, so because of that the market is still in bullish like up run, because election से पहले हमने देखा है बहुत बार like market tends to go up higher and higher. Okay, so let's see आज हमारे मार्केट ने कैसे परफॉर्म किया. Okay, Nifty. Okay, okay, Nifty, we have to see our market open flat, and then we have seen a profit booking. ये प्रॉफिट बुकिंग आनी थी. आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग द प्राइस टू फॉल टिल दिस लेवल, बट इट डिडंट हैपन. प्राइस को इस लेवल पे क्यों आना चाहिए था? बिकॉज यू कैन सी दिस होल इज एन इम्बैलेंस मूव मीन्स सिंपली दैट प्राइस गोज अप विदाउट एनी रिट्रेसमेंट. जब प्राइस ऐसे कभी भी मूव करता है, प्राइस हैज़ टू कम बैक टिल दिस लेवल और ऑलमोस्ट 50%. सो अगर आप सिंपली यहाँ पे फिबोनाची यूज़ करोगे बॉटम टू हाई, you can see it came back exactly like 50 or 0.618 level. So yeah, imbalance जो जितना ही मूव था, it has been covered. पूरा नहीं कवर हुआ, बट हाँ ऑलमोस्ट इट हैज़ बिन कवर्ड. एंड अगेन यू कैन सी प्राइस वॉज टू होल्डिंग दिस लेवल अगेन एंड अगेन. सो दिस वॉज अ डिमांड जोन. प्राइस केम टू अ लेवल, so we will initiate a buy order around this level. See, so I have made a position here. Simple, it was price was coming in demand zone, we have to buy. Obviously, bullish engulfing or hammer candlestick we have to see. The next target will always be supply zone, because if you are buying on demand zone, your target should be the supply zone. Okay, vis-a-vis, like if you're shorting at supply zone, your target should be a demand zone. Okay, so it's up to you. You have to learn which is strong demand zone, which is strong supply zone. Okay, so this strong supply zone was here, so my target was still here, and you can see the price came back from that level. Okay, simply प्राइस देखा जाए तो यहाँ नॉर्मली फ्लैट ओपन हुआ. फ्लैट ओपन होने के बाद अच्छा खासा हमें डाउनफॉल देखने को मिला, बट द निफ्टी डिडंट फॉल टिल the below level, which we all were expecting, because this imbalance move has to cover, but पूरा नहीं हुआ. ठीक है, कितना हुआ? 0.5% ही हुआ. ओके, ऐसा क्यों हुआ? बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टॉक, ठीक है, ऑलमोस्ट निफ्टी 50 मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टॉक और निफ्टी 100, ठीक है, ऑल ऑफ दो स्टॉक्स आर बुलिश, टोटली बुलिश. ठीक है, दैट्स व्हाई निफ्टी डिडंट फॉल टिल दैट लेवल. बट इफ यू सी बैंक निफ्टी, वी विल डू बैंक निफ्टी एनालिसिस ऑल्सो. बट इफ यू सी बैंक निफ्टी, इट ऑलमोस्ट केम टू दैट लेवल. ठीक है, ऑलमोस्ट केम टू दिस लेवल. ठीक है, इट कवर अप ऑल द इम्बैलेंस मूव yesterday इसका जितना भी इम्बैलेंस होता, इट कवर अप ऑल द मूव. ओके, सो what happened next is like price was, see, this was a trend line breakout, so price was going up upward. ठीक है, so this was a downside. ठीक है, downward trend यहाँ पे we can see. But what happened next is like this got broken out. So this means कि जो प्राइस था एक लोअर ट्रेंड से एक अप ट्रेंड में शिफ्ट हो चुका है. ठीक है, वी विल डिस्कस दिस कि व्हाट इज़ दिस एंड व्हाट इज़ दिस. ठीक है, एक स्टॉक है जिससे आपको अच्छे से एग्जांपल क्लियर हो जाएगा. ठीक है, डाउन ट्रेंड से जब भी अप ट्रेंड में शिफ्ट होंगे, वी हैव टू सी दिस. ठीक है, दिस हैज़ टू ब्रोकन आउट. ठीक है, प्राइस वॉज कमिंग डाउन. ठीक है, दिस हैज़ टू बी ब्रोकन आउट. ठीक है, वंस दिस ब्रोकन आउट, वी हैव टू सी, वी हैव टू एज्यूम दैट येस द प्राइस इज नाउ इन अप ट्रेंड. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे प्राइस एक अप ट्रेंड में शिफ्ट हो चुका था. ठीक है, दिस वॉज द बेस, दिस वॉज द होल डिमांड जोन. ओके, ठीक है, प्राइस केम टू अ लेवल. सी, दिस वॉज अ लेवल, प्राइस होल्ड, and then we can see a good up movement. But yes, at the end it didn't hold up at the बिल्कुल अपने बिल्कुल डे हाई पे नहीं रुका, बिकॉज वी ऑल नो कि डे हाई के आसपास सेलर्स होते हैं. सुबह मार्केट ओपन हुआ, प्राइस यहाँ से अच्छा खासा फॉल दिखाया, मतलब यहाँ पे सेलर्स प्रेजेंट थे, दे हैव शॉर्टेड. ठीक है, उनका स्टॉप लॉस ऑब्वियसली यहाँ कहीं होगा. तो जब भी उनके लेवल पे आएगा तो प्राइस, जब भी उनके लेवल पे प्राइस आएगा, दे अगेन विल शॉर्ट द, again will bring up the money from anywhere and they will again short to protect their SL. Okay, so we have seen this. यहाँ से अच्छा खासा डाउनफॉल देखने को मिला, बट भाई इतने एंड ऑफ द मार्केट में तो कोई ट्रेड करता नहीं. एंड ऑफ द डे में इतना लाइक 3 बजे के आसपास कौन ट्रेड करेगा? ठीक है, सो लेट्स सी बैंक निफ्टी ने कैसे परफॉर्म किया वो भी चेक कर लेते हैं. Okay, in Bank Nifty we are seeing a good, okay, 1 hour. Okay, so in Bank Nifty we have already discussed from here. Okay, this was a demand zone and this was the whole base and this is the demand zone. Okay, price came to a level, price holded this level and we have seen a good rally from this level. Okay, so again same thing happened over here. Okay, how? Let's see. This is a base and उस बेस का ये पूरा डिमांड जोन था. ठीक है, वी हैव टू सी इन लोअर टाइम फ्रेम ऑल्सो. ओके, इन 3 मिनट्स. ओके, लेट्स इग्नोर दिस अभी के लिए. ओके, इन 3 मिनट्स यू कैन सी दिस वाज अ डिमांड जोन एंड दिस वाज अ डिमांड जोन. ठीक है, फ्रॉम दिस होल इज अ बेस, उस बेस का ये डिमांड जोन है एंड ये डिमांड जोन. ठीक है, वी हैव 2 डिमांड जोन विच विल प्रोटेक्ट द प्राइस इफ प्राइस इज फॉलिंग. ठीक है, सो वी कैन सी प्राइस ओपन. ठीक है, प्राइस ओपन हुआ मॉर्निंग में एंड अगेन वी हैव सीन अ गुड lower lows. Okay, let's ignore this one also. Okay, so what we are saying here is like price is falling like in lower lows formation. Okay, obviously when lower lows is forming we have to assume and we have to predict the market for डाउनवर्ड साइड. ठीक है, कि प्राइस नीचे ही आएगा, ऊपर की तरफ तो नहीं देखेंगे जब प्राइस लोअर लोज क्रिएट कर रहा है. ओके, सो जब यहाँ पे लोअर लोज क्रिएट कर रहा है तो ऑब्वियसली हमारा सिंपल मतलब यही रहेगा कि नेक्स्ट डिमांड जोन जो स्ट्रॉन्ग होगा वहीं तक प्राइस जाएगा. तो नेक्स्ट स्ट्रॉन्ग डिमांड जोन वॉज हेयर एंड हेयर. ठीक है, दीज टू आर स्ट्रॉन्ग डिमांड जोन. ठीक है, प्राइस को यहीं तक ही आना चाहिए था एंड इफ यू सी वी हैव टू वी सी अ डबल बॉटम, oh sorry, हाँ, डबल टॉप पैटर्न in Bank Nifty in 3 minute time frame. Okay, so obviously we have to look for shorting opportunity, not for buying opportunity. ठीक है, इतने ऊपर हम बाय करने का तो नहीं सोचेंगे. वी नो कि ये एक पूरा इम्बैलेंस मूव है. ठीक है, ये मूव हमने कल कैप्चर किया था वो अलग बात है, बट हाँ ये पूरा मूव जो है वो इम्बैलेंस मूव है. ऑब्वियसली इट हैज़ टू बी कवर्ड अप. ठीक है, तो वो कवर अप होना इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो वो कवर अप कैसे होगा? जब हमें पता चलेगा कि जो प्राइस है वो डाउन ट्रेंड की तरफ शिफ्ट हो रहा है, मतलब कि मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर जो है वो लोअर लोज क्रिएट कर रहा है. तो ये एक हाई एक लो, एक हाई एक लो, एक हाई एक लो, एक हाई एक लो. तो यहाँ पे एक लोअर लोज क्रिएट कर रहा था वो सुबह से. तो ऑब्वियसली बाय करने का तो कोई इरादा ही नहीं होता. ठीक है, बाय करने का कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं है यहाँ पे वाई वी विल लुक फॉर बाइंग अपॉर्चुनिटी. ठीक है, वी हैव टू लुक फॉर बाइंग अपॉर्चुनिटी ऑन स्ट्रॉन्ग डिमांड जोन. सो स्ट्रॉन्ग डिमांड जोन वॉज देयर. ओके, तो यहाँ पर आराम से एक शॉर्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी था. टारगेट ऑब्वियसली यहाँ तक रखना है, यहाँ तक रख लो, या तो नेक्स्ट डिमांड जोन है, छोटा मोटा डिमांड जोन है, वहाँ तक भी आप अपना टारगेट रख सकते हैं, कोई इश्यू वाली बात नहीं. ओके, सो प्राइस वॉज कमिंग डाउन. ओके, तो प्राइस आया अपने डिमांड जोन पे. दिस डिमांड जोन होल्डेड द प्राइस होल डे, बट अगेन आफ्टर टचिंग दिस सप्लाई जोन प्राइस फॉल्स. ठीक है, प्राइस आया काफ़ी नीचे आया, बट कहाँ तक आया? अपना डिमांड जोन पर आया. इट केम एंड इट फॉर्म बुलिश इंगल्फिंग पैटर्न ऑन डिमांड जोन एंड वी कैन सी अ गुड रिकवरी फ्रॉम दैट लेवल. बट ऑब्वियसली इतने एंड पे लाइक 2:30 of 3 PM नो वन विल ट्रेड एट दैट टाइम. ठीक है, तो ऑब्वियसली वी हैव टू लुक फॉर दिस शॉर्टिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी वॉज गुड. This shorting opportunity was good, and this buying from this level from around demand zone was good. Okay, nothing else was good. Okay, we are not looking for this buying opportunity because this trend line breakout will not gonna give you that much profit because supply is very near. Okay, supply is very near, so this trend line will not work properly. You can imagine like buying here, putting SL here and targeting बिल्कुल day high. ठीक है, that will be wrong because this supply is not tested. Once this is tested you see the downfall move. Okay, also you can also trade this one, like the fall was coming, or sorry, the trend line was broken down from below. तो यहाँ से अच्छा खासा short opportunity we can see, like we can short around here, we can put a sell here and the next demand zone will be our target. See, the next demand zone will be our target. So we have seen a good downside momentum here. Okay, let's see few stocks which we have selected for next week, or we can say for Monday also. Okay, first is Balrampur Chini. We have given Balrampur Chini for quite few weeks, like from this level. Okay, we are giving Balrampur Chini again and again and again because we are saying this is a trend line which has to be broken out. Okay, obviously this trend line is formed, so obviously it will break out eventually. Once कभी ना कभी तो हो गई, but yes, कब होगा? Once it will touch a strong demand zone. See, strong demand zone. This was a base, this was a demand zone, and it was shooting up from that level. Okay, so in 1 hour you can see the price was making higher rise formation. That's what we are looking. The price is forming higher rise formation because that is giving you confirmation that the stock is in uptrend. ठीक है, Okay, so you will see low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, and again a high. So we have seen a good higher rise formation in this stock. The next strong supply zone is around here. Okay, this level around 400 or to 390. This strong supply zone is around there. So we could still expect a few good movement from this level, or we could see a little bit of retracement like this, and like this, and again we can see a good movement in this stock also. So keep it on a radar. This is a very good stock. um, See, and now everyone will look. Now everyone will be looking at this stock because the trend line has been broken out. So this stock will be too famous right now. Okay, everyone will looking like there's a breakout. There's a breakout. There's a breakout. Okay, so we are tracking almost from there, this level. Okay, so the good next supply zone is around here. This is a supply zone. Price could reach that level very easily in next week or next or on Monday itself also. So keep it on track. Keep it a track on this. Okay, next is Gale. We have given Gale from quite a time also. It is still bullish. Okay, how? Okay, let's see. See, it was forming head and shoulder pattern, and it almost on the verge of giving a breakout. It already has given a breakout of this trend line. See, and also the price is making a higher rise formation. So if price eventually falls from this level also, it is good because there is a base and there is this demand zone which will hold the price again and again. And also if price will come down, this will be a retest of this trend line. So if the price falls, it good. If price doesn't fall, we know the next supply zone is very far, around 98 or 99 level. So anyway, it is good. Look at in 1 hour also, high, low, high, low, high, and this high has been breaching now. So we can see a good up movement from here also. We can see a good retracement also. We don't know, but yes, if the high is broken out, the momentum will continue and it will go higher and higher. And also the stock is very bullish right now, so don't expect short. Don't expect to short. Look for shorting opportunity on supply zone only. Like this was a supply zone, short here. You could capture this move also, downside move also. Okay. Next stock is Reliance. Okay, as we have discussed this stock very long time ago. See, this stock is in uptrend, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, and the stock is still going on higher and higher. This was a demand zone which has to be hold, and you can see the price holded very well today and yesterday. Okay, yes, yeah. The price holded this level very good. See W pattern, and then W pattern breakouts gives a very good up movement. Obviously the high has to be broken out, so the high has to be broken out to 2640 level, has to be broken out, and new high has to be created, and then we could see a good retracement or like similar pattern like this, flag and pole breakout and everything like this, like this, like this. So yes, the stock is still bullish. It has to close above 2640, because the stock is still in uptrend. This demand holds the price very good. We could see a W pattern also, so we could see a good up movement from till this level, 2600, or again on next supply zone, which is around 550 to 440. 27 2740 2750, the next strong supply zone. Okay, next stock is DLF. Okay, so DLF is same. We have given DLF yesterday also. Okay, so what is happening on DLF? Simple. We are focusing to buy because the stock is making a higher rise formation. So this hole is a base, and this is the demand zone. Price holded the demand zone very well and formed a W pattern and gives a breakout. After giving a breakout, it gave a retest to this neckline and again formed a bullish candlestick pattern. So yes, on Monday we could see a dip in this base, or also we could see a rally coming up because you know the high is always breaking out. So we could see a new high forming in DLF also. So keep an eye on this stock also, because the next supply zone is very far away. And also if you see on daily time frame, this is a head and shoulder breakout, almost on the verge of a breakout. So it will give a good target. If you know the target of the head and shoulder, the neckline, the whole head should be the next target. So next target will be above 500, 550. So you could see you could also look for it a swing. Okay, next is PVR. Why PVR? Because we have given PVR yesterday also, because simply you can see the stock is in uptrend. for now. So this hole was a base, this was a demand zone. Price was holding this demand zone, green candle, green candle, green candle. Next supply zone is around here. As you can see, this hole is a base and this is the supply zone. This hole is a supply base, this is a supply zone. So price will come directly into this zone. Price will not stop before coming into that zone. ठीक है, यहाँ से पहले वो नहीं रुकने वाला. So this high is also broken. So it's confirmed that stock is right now in uptrend. You can see the trend line is also forming. So whenever price came again back to this trend line, you can look for buying opportunity again and again. The next strong supply zone, very strong supply zone, is around here, which is very far away. So price will do like this till this level. So you can track it on intraday time frame. You can always have some setups around these in these stocks which I'm giving right now. Okay, next is PFC we have given yesterday also. It has moved very it has given a good move today itself. Why we have given it? Because this was a supply zone which has to work, but it didn't work. So once the supply zone didn't work, obviously the next strong supply zone will be our target. So next supply zone which is strong is around here. So we still have 3% room left, so the stock still has 3% potential. It could move also till 140 level. So yeah, you can track it on entire time frame. It is still good. Okay, next is Infi. We have given Infi yesterday also, but it didn't perform today that much. Okay, so still I'm very bullish on this stock because it has made a W formation and it's almost on the verge of giving a good breakout. You see, it's almost on the verge of giving a good breakout. You can still keep it in track because there is no supply zone here. The next strong supply zone is around 1750. So you can keep it in track on this stock also. This is very good. This is looking very good. Also we can see the stock is in good uptrend. So after this we could see a fall. It's okay because there is this demand zone which will hold. We will buy again around 1560 or 1600 level. That is also good. Okay, next is Sun Pharma. Okay, Sun Pharma is very bullish stock. Okay, the pharma index is like this, but Sun Pharma is like this. Okay, so it is outperforming the index itself. So it is very good. You can see previously it formed and head and shoulder and gave a breakout. It gave a good move from that level. Okay, so now also if you see in 4 hour, the stock is making higher rise formation. So there is a this dip is buying buyable because it was coming down. It was coming just to grab this liquidity, or you can say the demand zone. Once it is in demand zone, price started going up. That confirms that this demand is working. So we could see a good rally, or this high could be broken out very easily. Next target will be 1100 because 1000 level is protected. You can see 1000 level was protected again and again. So yes, we could see a good rally in Sun Pharma also. 1100 will be easy for next week or next month also in December itself. Okay, next is VEDL. Okay, VEDL also first leg, second leg, third leg, and this is fourth leg. Okay, four legs, it means 4 compression. 4 compression is also mean like 4 accumulation. 4 times accumulation has been happened in this stock. This is accumulation, this is accumulation, this is accumulation, and this is also accumulation. Okay, so if you see VEDL lower time frame, you see this one, first leg, second leg, third leg, and this was the fourth leg also. So this is all this whole accumulation phase is going on in VEDL. Obviously buyers are getting involved again and again, so buyers is accumulating stock in this phase. So we can see a good rally in VEDL also. It has given a breakout of this trend line, and also it holded the price very well, and it closes above 300 315 very good. अच्छे से close दिया. If you see this on 4 hour time frame, you will know. You see, price was again and again falling from this level, but now the stock has given a good accumulation phase, at this level, and then gave a breakout of this zone. See, gave a breakout of this zone. So yes, price will move again higher. When the high is broken out, the price will go above and above. So okay, the next supply zone is very far away. Okay, so next supply zone is very far away. The strong supply zone is here and here. So we have some room in VDL. It could give a good improvement from for next few weeks or few months also. Okay, good stock is Mahindra and Mahindra Finance. This is very good stock. Why? Because now the stock is very you just see this hole was a base. Okay, wait, this hole was a base and this was a demand zone. What is happening here? The demand zone holds a price. Now after holding the price, the stock is, wait a second, let me do this. Okay, now after this you can see the price is making a higher rise formation, so that is very good. So now you can see green candle, green candle, green candle, and it could go on, like the formation could go on, green candle till this supply zone is around here, which is around 230. So price could move price could give a good rally in Mahindra and Mahindra Finance. Okay, next stock is HDFC AMC. Okay, this was the stock which I was going to explain. Okay, so what is happening here? You can see the stock is in downtrend. See, downtrend. Price is making a lower lows again and again. There was nothing good in this stock. But now what is happening here? This hole was buyers accumulation, as we have discussed. Same pattern in BDL. See the first leg, second leg, and third leg. See third leg, after third leg, we have seen a good rally. But again, there was this supply zone which respected, and price fall down from that level. But again, nothing bad happened. This hole was a base, buyers accumulation. This was a demand zone. Price holded that level, and you can see after holding, price gave a good breakout of this trend line, and it didn't stop there. After giving the breakout of the trend line, it almost gave a retest and made a hammer candlestick pattern on the trend line. And after this, you can see a good rally is coming now. So also you can see a W pattern breakout, almost on the verge of giving a breakout of the W pattern. So if you know W pattern, it is in a harmonic pattern. So you can see the next target for by using harmonic. So it has given a retracement for 0.618. Okay, so next target will be 1.618 or 1.14. Okay, 1.618 and 1.14 is around this level. So the next target will be very huge, around 3000. So this stock is very good for swing also. This stock is very good for like future. If you have to buy future for next 3-4 months, this is very good stock, and it has a potential to give a good up movement in next 3-4 months, or maybe in 2 months. You don't know. Okay, next stock is we have lots of stock also. Rain. Okay, we have discussed rain a lot of time, but again we are discussing. If you see, this was the left, this was the head, and this is forming a right shoulder. So you have to buy around this level. You don't have to wait around this level to give a breakout, because after giving a breakout, it will just go to 230 level. That's it, because there is a supply zone which is untested. Okay, so price will react from this level and then fall. Okay, so we have to buy almost on near demand zone, not away from demand zone. Okay, so this hole is a level to buy. If you see in 1 hour time frame, what you see, wait a second, if you see in 1 hour time frame, you will know what is happening around here. This hole was a base, and there was this demand zone. Price is holding this demand zone, and after holding, this was a high, this was a low, this was a high, this was a low, and this was a low, and again there was a new high. There is going to be a new high, so you have to keep it in track. Rain industry, keep track. This will give a good up movement till this supply zone, or maybe around 230 level. Just keep it in track. Yeah, metal sector are bullish right now. Okay, Torrent Power is still bullish. Okay, we have given Torrent Power around this level. Okay, we have given Torrent Power around this level. If you see what is happening here, left head, and this is the right shoulder. Don't buy near here. Don't try to buy near here. Try to buy now, because you can see the pattern is forming right now. And why is forming? Because this hole was a base, and this was a demand zone. Price is holding this demand zone, which means price is going to go up, obviously. And also you see this was an accumulation, and there is a breakout. So obviously price is just going like this, goes up, accumulate, breakout, goes up, accumulate, and breakout. So eventually it will give a breakout. The same pattern this will form around here, because this supply has to be eaten up. So this pattern will form around here. People will try to accumulate around here, and again there will be a breakout. As you know, head and shoulder pattern breakout target will be huge, because the neckline, the यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक का काफ़ी जो लेंथ है which is very big. So the target will be big. So 750 800 will be easy for Torrent Power. You have to buy now. But okay, just so if you don't have to buy now, just keep it in track on intraday basis. You can still get a move. You know the stock is in bullish, so you always think about buying in these type of stocks. Okay, next is Conquer. Okay, Conquer is also the same. Nothing is different in Conquer also. The stock is very bullish, as you know. Base, respect, and new high. See, new high. Base, respect, and new high. New high, again similar pattern is happening. This follows the whole base. This was a demand zone. Price was holding the demand zone, and again the new high is on the way. So this will again close. Conquer will close above 800 level for the first time. So 52 weeks high is on the way. So you have to buy right now. You have to. I'm not forcing you, but you have to see. Not buying around this level like this was a breakout or this is a breakout. No, you have to buy around these level to capture this much move. Okay, you have to buy around here. You just kept a stop loss around here, and the target will be day high or the 52 weeks high. Okay, why we are saying this? Because the stock is an uptrend. Okay, and also all the bases has been respected. So whatever happened in the past, it will happen in future. Okay, the history will repeat itself. So whatever happened in the past will happen again in the future. Okay, so you have to buy right now, or you have to keep the SL here, and the target will be the day 52 weeks high or new high in this stock. Okay, and also keep a track all of these stock on intraday basis. That will help you. Okay, Lotus Lab. We have discussed Lotus Lab. If you know, we have discussed Lotus Lab. I have already said the stock is going to make a VCP pattern. It already formed a VCP pattern here, and you can see this is a W pattern also around the demand zone. Once the neckline is broken out, you could buy simply. You could buy. You could keep a SL over here, and the target will be huge because the next supply zone is very far away. See, the next supply zone is around here. This supply zone has been tested by this one, so next supply zone is very far away, so you can keep it a track on this one also on intraday basis or swing basis also. Okay, the last stock is Grasim. Grasim is one of the best stock. If you are here till the end, you are very lucky because this stock will give you very good profit, because and also stock option also, because this is very good stock. Okay, if you see what is happening here, left head and shoulder breakout again. Okay, also what is happening here, there was this strong supply zone, so it has to be absorbed. After absorbing, price fall down a little bit, but it formed a W pattern also. Okay, after W pattern, it gave a retracement from 0.886. that is a very good level for harmonic level, because they note the only target for 0.886 is 1.618. that is around here, and that is the 52 weeks high. See, so price will make a single tooth. In 1 or 2 weeks we could see a good rally. In 1 or 2 weeks we almost got the target. In 2 weeks में हम target आराम से मिल जाएगा, because once this will broken out, W pattern breakout, harmonic traders will be active, and also the head and shoulder pattern. Almost everything is very very good about in this stock, so we could see a good rally in Grasim also. So keep this stock also for intraday and also for positional. Both are good in this stock. Okay, the video is got too long. I'm very really sorry, but yeah, these are all the stocks which you have to keep an eye for next week or next month. So all these stocks have potential to give a good breakout or a good up move in the next few weeks. Okay, thank you for watching.